Hi everyone, I'm Shreyas, myself Shrishti S. We are the past two students of Vijaya College in the year 2020. Our course was BSc and I chosen my combination as PME and my combination was CBZ. Currently we are pursuing Masters in Bangalore Central University. I'm studying Masters in Plant Science. I'm doing my MSc in Mathematical Science in Bangalore Central University. 3 years experience in Vijaya College was remarkable and lovable. So Vijaya College gave us a better learning environment both academically as well as practically. Vijaya College was beautiful college which provide many courses and streams like with science, commerce, etc. and outstanding academic record. Coming to life science background, we were having a well-equipped, sophisticated laboratories in chemistry, botany, zoology, genetics, microbiology, and as well as biotechnology. And teachers are well experienced and very student-friendly. And also, I have to tell about library, which has n number of books, which personally helped me in every semester academically. Coming to practical science, all subjects and streams in practical science like physics, mathematics, electronics, computer science, etc. has well-equipped laboratory. Teachers are friendly, experienced teachers, and then every year in the Vijaya College, they conducted inter-class and intercollegiate competitions in which the students are allowed to socialize with other peoples and they showcase their talent so that they build up their confidence. And also, Vijaya College consists of many wings like NCC, NSS, Youth Red Cross, etc. And we are the part of a Youth Red Cross, and which we were served as an volunteers in blood donation camps. That was really proud moment. So finally, life in the Vijaya College, which teaches us many things and which gave us to build up a confidence to face new challenges and struggle in coming future.
My name is Arundhati. I was a student of Vijaya College for the BCom batch of 2017-2020. The college, being a knowledge hub, was also instrumental in providing overall development for me, along with excellence in education. The institution was a great learning platform for me and provided numerous opportunities to strive for excellence. The faculty members were the guiding force and were always prepared to provide career guidance. They helped me to focus in attaining expertise and skills and were committed to impart knowledge. The career counseling workshops conducted by the college helped me to identify my career goals. The interactive sessions threw light on various job opportunities and future perspectives. The advices provided in these sessions were motivating and also helped me to shape my career objectives. The sessions ensured to be effective in introducing me to a wide range of career opportunities and also the skills required to achieve them. Taking part in the fests conducted by the college provided me a practical exposure and also prepared me to face future challenges. To sum it up, Vijaya College provided holistic development and also helped me to hone my skills.
Talking about Vijaya College, it's really been a blissful 3 years for me being in the college, because the college has always been very committed not only towards education but even towards extracurriculars. I was not that much of an outstanding student, but I was an average student. But the college as well as the faculty understood what I needed. The faculty supported me in that. So it was always indeed a pleasure to be a part of a college that steps in at your footstep and understanding what you need and what is actually required for you to grow in the future, because degree is something which is very important. That is the stepping stone for any human being. The moment you step into graduation, you come into the serious part of life. So when you have the right college, the right faculty, you know how to gesture your future in the coming days.
Vijaya College has taught me one fundamental thing, that learning never ends. Here in Vijaya College, teachers are student friendly and they guide us in every step. The ethnobotany classes conducted by the Department of Botany has given us a knowledge about the tribal tradition and tribal medicines. The Sridhar Bhatt laboratories have given all the students an experience and explore the virtual laboratories. I am very grateful to be a part of this institution.
I'm 2014 passed out student, and I'm very glad to tell that I am a Vijaya College student. Why? Because until PUC I wasn't a studious girl or I wasn't interested in studies, but then in Vijaya College I learned the value of studies only because of all my lecturers and the principal. This is because our Vijaya College, they have all the best lecturers in the city, from the city. Everybody's experienced so much, and we learn a lot of values from them, not only in point of studies or not only in point of syllabus, but also we learn a lot of values, morals, and it's given me a great platform to know myself more about how I am, what my character is. From this college, my confidence level has been increased so much. Like example, our BBM stream, we had an opportunity to create our own club, and through clubs we learned so many. We had many exposures, so we used to create many events, and all the lecturers used to help us in and out from the syllabus, so that we get our exposure as well. And also, it's not like they give importance only to one stream in Vijaya College. All the courses in our college, equal importance is given, and all the principals of our college, our HOD of our department, everybody has been very supportive for us.
Hi, my name is Ajit, and I'm an alumni of Vijaya College, RV Road, where I did my CVZ from the year 2017 to 2019. So currently I'm pursuing my Masters in Wildlife Research and Management from Kuvempu University, Shimoga. First of all, I'm very grateful for this opportunity to speak a few words about my college. Since a very young age, I've developed this passion for the natural world, and I'm very proud and very grateful for the fact that my college since day one has helped me pursue my passion, be it by organizing photography workshops or by bringing in resource persons to help us understand about how the world works and what are the opportunities that we can find going forward while pursuing our dreams. So I'd like to thank the staff for helping me grow as a person and as a student as well. So thanks a lot.